Let's do unboxing to see what I got from eBay. Yay! Like getting stuff in the mail. What do you think it is? Oh look, it says Fujifilm Finepix XP130. See if it's all here. Got it off eBay. Supposed to be brand new. What do we got in here? We got the... This is for charging it up in the car. And a little charger for the battery. A memory card. A cleaning cloth for that. There's the battery. See that? Now the fun thing, the camera. I got white. There it is, the Fuji XP130. Waterproof camera. Goes down to 65 feet underwater, or 20 meters. It's shockproof to 5.8 feet, or 1.75 meters. Looks like it's a pretty nice little camera. Got it so I can take time lapses and stuff in the rain or snow or whatever. I will add pictures and stuff later once I take something. Now I'm going to put the battery in this thing, see if it turns on, and put a memory card in it. There's the inside. Got a little seal here so keep the water and stuff out. Hopefully the battery has some charge so I can play around with it. Battery goes right in there. Got my own memory card, not the one that came with it, a little bit bigger. Just close her up like that. It's got the on-off button right here. And look, it works. Has some battery, yay! Now it's asking to pair with the smartphone. If you can see that. Now let's... I'm going to try pairing it with my iPhone. See if this works. Yes, it took me right to it. Okay, once it's all done, it says your pairing is complete on here, and then it shows your remote app and stuff here on the iPhone. So that's pretty cool. You control it right from your phone. Tells you here to make sure that battery thing is locked.